Press space just for instructions. The reason you have to look for the first option. With a forward arrow, the first one, the very first one, and there we go. Yes, the three dots at the top, the second option, delete or disable apps. To access Chrome, go to delete apps, and you have to tap to go to application settings. Look for the YouTube, the alphabet. To do the service is nvrom. Should that be vnrom? Sorry for that. vnrom Google account. Open the first option. Here is very tricky. You have to follow instructions. Look for the vnrom bypass apk. It is very hardy. It is 28 megabytes, so you need a good Wi-Fi or hotspot. I give permission. Can't understand that, but trust you me. Look for the Apex launcher. Press it. Cancel the ad. We just forgot. You have to authorize download, so you scroll downwards. You scroll the page downwards so that the download pop-ups will come downwards. Cancel the first one. Authorize the first APK, and the Apex launcher is the second one. And you use the dots at the top of the Chrome page to access downloads. You gotta be patient. If you don't have a good Wi-Fi, you need to be patient. Really patient. At 70% going and smiling all the way to the bank. Remember, this one is for home care. Don't do this for us. Allow apps from Google to from Chrome. Next. Remember, these are Tecno Care APK that has been renamed, so you don't open the app once the installation is complete. You just cancel. Its purpose is just installing. So after full installation, just cancel. The second option, the first option, cancel. Now you have Apex launcher. install. Hapo ndio kuna uhoda, whatever that means. It is Indian. It is what it is. Now this one you have to launch. Open it. There you go. You're in. Most of the time, the Apex launcher will misbehave. So if it gets you back to the start, you just have to follow the same procedure. Don't download again. Go once on the YouTube with the Chrome, go to downloads, install Apex again. Most of them it behaves at this point. So repeat the system and launch the Apex launcher. Go to settings. For most of us, we don't understand this language, so it's good to go to systems, change the language to the language that you most understand. For me, it's English. And for you to change that language, you have to delete the old language. Delete. And there you go. You put your language of choice and delete the old one. You go back. This is just a confirmation that is Tecno BB2. For avoidance of doubt, it's Tecno pop3. Go to security. You need to go to security, so you go back. Security and location. Agree. Go to admin. Device admin apps. You just activate the device manager, but you can just activate all of them. Go back. Look for screen pinning. Hapa. This is where things is. Allow. Screen pinning is on. So allow the other option. Fingerprint and pattern, or whichever. I've chosen that. Confirm. Boom. You're good to go. You can just restart your device and you're good to go. Or you just go back. For me, I chose to go back. Back. But the best option is usually to restart your phone. And there you go. I'm just doing the same. Just jumping before the drum. My phone has been restarted. Dancing all the way to the bank, scroll up, put your pattern or this password or whatever you did. You can disconnect Wi-Fi. If you connected, no problem. Skip. Or you shouldn't go back. Yeah, it was just good to go, to move forward. There you go. A good network. Checking updates. It might take several minutes. But I know you know to read. I love you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show some love. You already have a pattern or a password or a pin. I really feel good when I help one person here and there without really getting anything back. It's really amazing. Giving is precious. But don't forget to subscribe, to like, skip. Look at that. How beautiful that is. You're skipping. No Google account signing. No endangering your accounts. You can keep your accounts to yourself now. You really don't have to endanger. You know, the Google account issue is quite a big issue with these devices. You are safely home. If you're safely home, subscribe. Show some love to the world. Thank you. See you soon. Select your country. might be Bangladesh, Ethiopia, UK, United Kenya. It's amazing. Choose the default launcher and there you go.